In 2024, new versions of GROMACS tools were introduced, including the gyrate tool. This tool allows you to determine how radius of gyration of your molecule changes over time. This is particularly useful in folding and unfolding studies, or if you want to determine how compactness of your molecule changes after ligand binding. You can also use gyrate radius in combination with other metrics like RMSD or hydrogen bond number as a function of time to track down conformational changes of your protein and to determine whether it converges to some equilibrium state within the time interval of your trajectory. The command line interface of a new gyrate tool is similar to gyrate legacy tool. You need to specify your trajectory file, also your structure file, which is preferably your portable binary input file with TPR extension. You also provide index file, which can contain your created index groups. The major change in tools introduced in 2024 is that you don't need to interactively select index groups for analysis. Instead, you explicitly provide them as a CLI argument. Gyrate tool currently only outputs one XVG file containing both total radius of gyration and gyration about particular axis like XYZ. If you study asymmetrical molecules, it can be useful, or if you are only interested in changes in your protein compactness into one particular direction. Thank you for your time and let me know if you had any troubles.